Hello everyone! Today is Saturday and I have two classes for graduate school. Nag-announce na yung isa na may asynchronous task lang siyang ipapa-perform at ipapagawa, and the other one announced that we will be having a online class, so I should attend later at 1:30. Medyo inaantok pa ako, kakagising ko lang. Then yung sa asynchronous task naman, nag-post na ng instruction, babasahin ko tapos gagawin ko because we have to submit by 1 din. So, kailangan ko siya i-accomplish agad. But, ayun yung mga task ko for today for my graduate. Kung saan instruction yung sa akong subject and authority request. Ini-scan ko yung material. Kumalit ako ng submission. Kasi ang bagal ng laptop ko, naglalag siya. Lecture materials and work on 2 without solution lecture material polish testing. Pala, hindi ako titingin dun sa may example. Then, kailangan ko siya gawin. Hindi pa ako tapos pero kailangan ko na siya ipasa kasi mag-open na yung meeting room namin for second subject namin, online class kasi. Tanggap ko naman may deduction na ako pero kailangan ko kahit pa paano makapagpasa, maihabol ko. 1:30 yung Zoom niya pero 2:09 na. May nakaschedule kaming online class ng 2:10. So, kailangan ko siya ipasa. Then, kailangan ko umatin ng online class. Present po, ma'am.